Well, good afternoon students. In the last class we have discussed about power of I, and in today's class we are going to continue with the next concept. It is the modulus and the conjugate of a complex number. So let me take the complex number. So what is the standard form of a complex number? It is a plus ib or x plus iy. So here let z which is equals to a plus ib be a complex number, Now for this complex number we have to write its modulus and the conjugate. Is that clear? And here we represent the modulus of a complex number by mod z and the conjugate of a complex number by z bar. So what is modulus of z here? It is the modulus of the given complex number, and z bar is going to be the conjugate of a complex number. For this we have the standard formula. See here. Then the modulus of a complex number, denoted by mod z, mod z is defined to be defined as square root of a square plus b square, So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ a square plus b square. I will take an example now. That is mod z which is equals to square root of a square plus b square. So now let me give an example for this. Let z which is equals to 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i or i3. So this is a general complex number. For this complex number we have to find its modulus. So now modulus or mod z which is equals to, so what is the standard formula now? It is square root of a square plus b square. What is the value of a here? It is 2. The value of b it is 3. Now it is square root of a square, that is 2 square. So it is 2 square plus b square andre 3 square agtadre. So it is 3 square. Now let us simplify this. Mod z which is equals to square root of 2 square will be 4. So it is 4 plus 3 square will be 9, and then here add these two. 4 plus 9 will be 13. So mod z which is equals to square root of 13. So this is the modulus of the given complex number. So like this you can find the modulus for any complex number. So usually this will be given for 1 mark in your annual exam. Next we will move on to conjugate of a complex number. Andre ಒಂದು complex number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ conjugate ಹೆಂಗೆ find out ಮಾಡೋದು. So let us discuss about that now. So first we will write the general form of a conjugate of a complex number, and then we'll take a particular example. See here, let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number, then the conjugate of z andre complex number really, then the conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. ಆದರೆ z ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ z ಬಾರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ z ಬಾರ್ that is z bar which is equals to a minus ib. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ z equal to a plus ib ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ z bar equal to a minus ib. So what is the thing that you are noticing here? Here I changes to minus I. That means the real part remains as it is, only the imaginary part is changing. So I will take a few examples now so that you can understand it in a better way. So here z which is equals to minus 2 plus I3. Minus 2 plus I3 is a complex number. Here minus 2 is the real part and 3 is the imaginary part. So let us write the conjugate of this complex number. So here z bar which is equals to, so now we have to write the real part as it is, minus 2 as it is. Then, so here the thing that changes is the imaginary part. So I write minus I3. So this is the conjugate for this particular complex number. So I will take another example now. So z which is equals to 3 minus I. 3 minus I. It is a complex number. Now we have to write the conjugate for this complex number. So z bar which is equals to, I write the real part as it is. Now we have to change only the imaginary part. So if it is plus, we have to write minus. If it is minus, we have to write plus. That is the only thing that changes here. So it is 3 plus I. So these two are the examples for conjugate of a complex number. So like this you can write many conjugates for a given complex number, and this concept is very important and it will be usually given for 1 mark in your annual exam. So this is all about the modulus and conjugate of a complex number, and we'll solve a few example problems now. Well, the next example problem, it is 5th one. In the last class we have solved up to the 4th example. We'll write the question now. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i or 2 minus I3, both are same. So here for this given complex number we will have to find multiplicative inverse. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiplication concept ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. multiplicative inverse ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So it is denoted by z inverse or z to the power minus 1. It is nothing but 1 by z. So by making use of this concept, we have to find the multiplicative inverse. So let us go ahead with the solution here. So I take this as z, the complex number. So here z which is equals to 2 minus 3i. It is a given complex number. Now multiplicative inverse will be z inverse which is equals to 1 by z. So z inverse which is equals to 1 divided by 2 minus 3i. Now in the next step, z inverse which is equals to, now we have to go for rationalization. So multiply and divide by the opposite sign of the denominator. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 minus 3i adre. So now 2 plus 3i ದಿಂದ multiply and divide by ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. In case if it is 2 plus 3i, so the opposite sign will be 2 minus 3i. So now 1 divided by 2 minus 3i, multiply and divide by 2 plus 3i, and here it is 2 plus 3i. So now let us simplify this further. So 1 into this term, we get the same term. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So 2 plus 3i as it is. Then in the denominator, it is in the form of a minus ib into a plus ib. So now a minus b into a plus b. Andra a square minus b square ಆಗ್ತದೆ, the standard formula. So now denominator ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 2 square minus b square. b ಅಂದರೆ 3i ಅದರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So 3i the whole square. Now we will have to simplify the denominator. Z inverse which is equals to, I write the numerator as it is. It is 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i divided by, now 2 square will be 4. It is 4, then minus. So here square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. It is in the form of ab whole raised to m. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ab whole raised to m is nothing but a raised to m into b raised to m. The square applies to the first term, that is 3 square ಅಂದರೆ 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. So it is 9. Then we have I. So take the square, we get I square. I square. Now we'll simplify this further. Z inverse which is equals to 2 plus 3i divided by 4 minus, now we have the value for I square. I square ಅಂದರೆ minus 1 ರೀ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I ಅಂದರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, I square ಅಂದರೆ minus 1. Minus into minus will be plus. We get plus 9. So now Z inverse which is equals to 2 plus 3i as it is, and then 4 plus 9 will be 13. Now we have to write this in the form of a plus ib. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ರೀ. ಸೊ Z inverse which is equals to 2 by 13 plus 3 by 13 into i. ಅಂದರೆ a plus bi or ib, it is in the standard form, and this is going to be the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. So this is all about the 5th example problem, and then we'll move on to the 6th example problem. Well, let us write the 6th example. It is express the following. Express the following in the form express the following in the form a plus ib. So he has given 2 sub questions in that. Roman number 1, it is 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus root 2i, and then Roman number 2, it is I to the power minus 35. I raised to minus 35. So here he has given 2 complex numbers, and we have to express them in the form of a plus ib. So let me solve the first one. So here we have to take this as z. Z which is equals to, Roman number 1, z which is equals to 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus root 2i. Then in the next step we have to go for rationalization. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಂದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus root 2i ಅದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್, ನಾವು ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 1 plus root 2i. That term we need to multiply and divide. So here z which is equals to 5 plus root 2i divided by 1 minus root 2i. Now multiply and divide by 1 plus root 2i divided by 1 plus root 2i. ಆದರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇದೇ ಟರ್ಮೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. Let us multiply the numerator now. Z which is equals to, see here, 5 into 1 it is 5 then plus 5 into root 2i as it is, 5 into root 2i. Then we are done with the first term. Now we will have to multiply second term with these two terms. Root 2i into 1 ಅಂದರೆ root 2i ನೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So it is plus root 2i. Then now see here plus root 2 into root 2 ಅಂದರೆ root 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? What is root 4? root 4 ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು ರೀ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. So now root 2 into root 2 will be root 4. That can be written as 2. So I write 2 now. Then I into I, it is I square. It is I square. And then the denominator is in the form of again a minus b into a plus b. That can be written as a square minus b square. A square ಅಂದರೆ 1 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It is 1 square. Then minus b square ಅಂದರೆ root 2 into I the whole square ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. Now let us simplify the numerator as well as the denominator. So here z which is equals to numerator nodre 5 I write it as it is, then plus 5 root 2i and here root 2i ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. 6 root 2i we get 6 root 2i. then ಇಲ್ಲಿ I square ಅಂದರೆ -1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. 2 into -1 will be -2. So I write minus directly, -2. Then divided by 1 square will be anyway 1 as it is. Then minus. So here square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. First term ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ root 2 ಅದ. root 2 the whole square and then I square ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೀ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. we get only 2. So 2 into I square. 2 into I square. We'll simplify this further. Z which is equals to ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 plus write this as it is now 6 root 2i divided by what is the value of I square? I square ಅಂದರೆ -1 ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ 1 plus 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 1 plus 2. then z which is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2i ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 plus 2 ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು ನಾವು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. z which is equals to, ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ 3 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ 1 ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ ರೀ. 1 plus 2 root 2i ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 3 and 3 get cancels. we get this as the final answer. z which is equals to 1 plus 2 root 2i. So this is the required answer for the first Roman number 1. So we have expressed the given question in the form of a plus bi or ib, anyway both are same. And then we'll go for the Roman number 2 case. So here we have to find the value of I to the power minus 35. Well, let us find the value for I to the power minus 35. Roman number 2, I raised to minus 35. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. So this can be written as 1 divided by I raised to plus 35. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐತೆ ನಮಗೆ a raised to minus m can be written as 1 by a raised to m. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವೆ 10 to the power minus 3 ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 10 to the power plus 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ I to the power 35. ಸೊ I raised to minus 35 which is equals to, so now here we have to multiply and divide by I. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರೀ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. I raised to 4k equal to 1 where k is any integer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ ತೊಗೋರಿ. ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ತೊಗೋರಿ, I raised to 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. I raised to 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ರೀ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ತೊಗೋರಿ ನೀವು, 4 into 3 ಅಂದರೆ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ I to the power 12 ಅಂದರೂ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಈಸ್ 1 by I raised to 35 into I by I, multiply divided by I. Now I to the power minus 35 which is equals to 1 into I ಅಂದ್ರೆ I ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ, divided by I raised to 35 into I ಅಂದ್ರೆ I raised to 36 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. A raised to m into A raised to n equal to A raised to m plus n ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ I to the power 36. ಹಾಂ, ಈ I to the power 36ನ 4 into 9 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು ರೀ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ I raised to minus 35 which is equals to I divided by 1. I by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ರೀ? It is I. So I to the power minus 35 which is equals to I. But we have to write this in the form of a plus ib. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಇದು, ಇನ್ನು a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ I to the, this implies I to the power minus 35 which is equals to 0 plus I into 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರು, ಅಂದರೆ a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ಅದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ all the example problems. In tomorrow's class we'll start with the exercise 5.1.